Hello friends! Today we will learn that how to trace alphabet letters. Let's start with uppercase and lowercase letter A. Start with uppercase letter A. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. Now let's trace the lowercase letter A. A is for ambulance. Now let's trace the uppercase letter B. B is for bus. B is for boy. Now let's trace the lowercase letter B. B is for baby.